So here we are on Monday the 10th of July. The decorator was supposed to be coming today, but she got held up on a job and was working all weekend. She's coming back from Norfolk today, so it's due to start tomorrow. But the room is completely empty. Oh gosh, it could be so nice. Well, I hope it'll be nice. It's about 8:15 on Sunday, the 22nd of July. There is a van here. It has delivered IKEA furniture to come into my almost empty craft room. We've got some stuff in, and you can see where hopefully things are going to go. We have 8 boxes and other stuff. Less than 4 hours on, this is where we're at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carcasses built, 7 lots of drawers built, 2 carcasses to go, and a complete drawer unit to go, and some shelves to go up here. And we've had breakfast, excuse the messy kitchen, and got washing out on the line. So here we are 8 hours later. This is where the PC and my silhouette machine are going to go. This is my little filing with scraps. We haven't brought anything back in yet. Had a real job getting these in. Bought one to see if it fitted, and it did, and then we couldn't make it fit. This is going to be my yarn row along here. This needs a really good sort. It's a real shame there was nowhere else for it to go, so I've sacrificed 4 cubbies here that are going to be kind of like for deep storage, things that I don't use very often, but this is on wheels, so we'll pull out. And then I've got this bank of storage here, and obviously a little bit of storage on the top, but I don't want to make it too cluttered. And this is where the desk is going to come back in, but that needs a jolly good clean before it comes back in. So we are getting there. I've got all the fun bit now of, yes, all the fun of deciding what's going to go where.